forward right bay parking. We perform this manoeuvre when wanting to position our vehicle forward into a designated bay between the white line markings. This manoeuvre is part of the UK driving test, but is also used in everyday life. Bay parking is normally performed in a car park where the maximum speed limit is 10 miles per hour. We are currently at a crawling speed of 3 miles per hour. We first need to choose the bay we wish to park in. We're going to park in this bay on the right. Check our interior and right mirror for any overtaking vehicles. Make sure we are positioned 1 metre away from the chosen bay before we start. Brake and keep to a crawling speed of 1 mile per hour. We're crawling to allow extra time to find our reference point. This reference point is our right door wing mirror in line with the first line of the bay we are entering. We have reached our reference point to turn. Brake to a stop, handbrake on. Full lock our steering wheel to the right. 6-point check. Left blind spot, left mirror, road ahead, interior mirror, right mirror and right blind spot. We're safe to continue. Handbrake off. Once our vehicle starts to move, gently brake to control our speed and stop the engine power pulling our vehicle to 5 miles per hour. When our vehicle starts to slow, release the brake and our vehicle will start to move again. As our vehicle turns into the bay, it's important that we trust our reference point. Mirror in line with the first line of the bay, as our view of the bay will deteriorate the closer we get. 6-point check. Left blind spot, left mirror, road ahead, interior mirror, right mirror and right blind spot. Once we feel we're fully straight, brake to a stop. Now counter-steer our steering wheel back to the left until our steering wheel is straight. Release and gently reapply the brake to move forward at a crawl speed until all 4 wheels are fully inside the bay. We can check our position by looking in our left and right door mirrors or opening our driver's door. Our vehicle should be approximately 1 foot away from both white lines of the bay to fully park. We have gained the correct bay position. Brake to a stop, handbrake on, select Park. Remember, this reference point will also work if we're driving forward into a bay on the left. We will line the left door mirror in line with the first line of the bay you wish to enter.